Major political development from the national capital, New Delhi. The Election Commission of India, during the press conference at Vigyan Bhavan, announced the election schedule for 4 states and 1 union territory. Polling in Assam for 126 seats and Kerala for 146 will be held in a single phase on April 9, while Tamil Nadu will vote for its 234 seats on April 23rd. West Bengal will go to polls in 2 phases on April 23rd and April 29th. And the Union Territory of Puducherry will also vote in a single phase. Counting of votes for all states will take place on May 4. With this, the stage is now set for the next big electoral battle in the country. The Election Commission also announced several key measures: a special intensive revision of electoral rolls, strict identity cards for all booth-level officers, and a facility for voters to deposit mobile phones at polling counters. Additionally, all election-related services will be integrated under a single digital platform called ECI Net for seamless conduct of the polls, while postal ballots will be counted 2 hours before the EVM machines counter begins. Jai Hind, this is Teja Dalnakro reporting for Sudarshan World with camera person Jitendra Pal at New Delhi.